So I've been a fan of reusable, eco-friendly period products for a while now, and so this is made out of a charcoal bamboo fiber like material. And if you guys don't know already, bamboo has a lot of great properties with like moisture wicking. For an example, at one point my boyfriend was like, yeah, I sweat a lot in bed, and I was like, let's buy some bamboo fiber sheets. Yeah, okay, let's do that. What's really great about this brand is that they kind of went on and beyond. They kind of looked at the reviews for other menstrual reusable pads, and then they thought about how can they up it. So the fact that this one is so much longer, it gives me that extra protection. It's not very see-through, and I always was concerned about like the bulkiness of how pads look like, but actually these kind of blend in very well. It has 2 buttons to be able to readjust the size. They are reusable. You just throw them in the laundry as you normally would, dry them as you normally would with the machine, and it comes out bam, super clean. Or if you are a person who wears tampons and there's a little bit of breakthrough bleeding, or if you use cups or a disc and there's that learning curve where you're still learning the suctioning well, these are a great backup. But these are a lot thicker, and it feels like it can hold a whole lot more, especially because it has like that windbreaker material in the back. So I'd be curious to see if they can work on a heavy day. They're very eco-friendly, they're easy to use, and if you guys aren't squeamish, I mean, they're washable, and you save yourself a bunch of money this way. I'm trying to fold it up for you guys so you guys can see.